Hi, chat. Welcome to the stream. How y'all doing today? It is not our normal stream day. Marsha is here. Almost got me there, Marsha. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. Today it is Sunday, the 28th of March. Again, not my usual stream day, but I figured I had some ideas of some code that I wanted to write, so I figured, fuck it, let's stream. So we're here. Who all do we got here today? We've got Marsha, of course. Aelanke. Probably said that wrong, but welcome to the stream. Good to have you. I Satisfied. Good to see you as well. And lots of Marsha. I see you're trying to inflate your chat numbers. You're trying to get going there. Which is good. Okay, but yeah, we are again working on microcontroller today. If we put this one. Oh, yeah, I guess that's fine. We're working on the microcontroller. I have some plans on how to make the serial port stuff work better, because right now it's kind of not the best. But yeah, we're gonna work on that a little bit today. I basically want to make a verbose and non-verbose mode where it doesn't, spew output, so that I can. Because I realize now that I don't actually care about the output. I don't really care whether it received it. I mean, I assume it does, and if it's not receiving it, I want to debug it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna turn off the output except for a special little enabler flag thing. Oh, we're not working on the shiny scraper today. We're working on the Switch microcontroller. Okay, so let's write some. Oh, what did I change here? Oh, right. The ever important hello hello world here. Can't have it mean can't have it being saying hello world. That's no good. That's no good. I said it right. Perfect. Cool. I Satisfied says I love having ideas of code I want to write, but I have homework. Yes, I know how that goes. I know how that goes. Code your homework. Yeah, there you go. That's actually how I started a lot of the original code that I wrote was doing it from homework. Need more. Oh, also I know how to fix this as well. So before we might get to that. I don't know if we'll get that. But before, when we were doing the date spamming, we were pressing down every time it had to go down a menu, and I can just hold the down button, and that'll be way more consistent than pressing the button a bunch of times because it was eating some of our inputs. So if we just hold down the button, it'll both be faster and more consistent, which two good things. We might get to that as well. Also, we're gonna code a new routine today to do another tedious task that I was about to do manually, and then I'm like, wait a minute, I could turn this into a stream. So we're gonna do it with the stream as well. Coder says hi. How much of college would you say is useful? It really depends on what you already know and what you want to get out of it. For me, I don't think I learned all that much in many courses except for my computer organization course. My computer organization course was one where it basically went over very, very low-level hardware stuff. So things like, thinking about gates and also thinking about how processors work and how caller and callee and dealing with registers and writing low-level assembly and like thinking about composing NANDs and building other operations. That said, I don't think I really use any of that stuff too often. I mean, I'm using it a little bit. I'm using it a little bit on this project, but like, I don't really think that I spend too much time thinking about low-level computer stuff. But it's all good. It's all good. Do you have to know exactly how long to hold down? To hold down? Kind of, yeah. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure out the right amount. Oh yeah, you're partially to blame, Marsha. That's just true. It's true. Most people with bachelors just say it wasn't that useful, or at least the ones that I ask. So, I'm in a different boat than most people. Like, I had been writing computer code for about 7 or 8 years. Well, actually, almost 10 years before I started my formal computer science education. I had been, tinkering on my own. And I actually think that self-taught programming, when done correctly, you're going to learn a lot more than you would forcing yourself through it in an educational environment. So I think that I knew a lot more than my peers did, even though we were on paper starting at the same position. I had, 10 years of 10 years of advantage on them. But yeah, okay, so let's do the first thing that I want to do today, which is there's actually I still need to refactor that other thing. Maybe we'll do the other refactor later. The thing that I want to do today is in this receiving function right here. We have C, which is our like switch character, and what I want to do is have a verbose mode that I can turn on, but keep it off most of the time. So we're gonna do, let's see. We actually don't need this to be scoped here. I mean, it's probably faster to keep it scoped here. It doesn't matter. Who fucking cares? There'll be a optimized compiler that fixes this for me. So you do char red equals this. We also want char. This is what C version am I targeting? I wonder if I have standard bool. I don't know. We'll just use C for this. Verbose equals 0. So we're going to start with verbose being off by default, and so you can opt into it. So then you can do switch. I guess we can say if read equals, what am I doing? Equals V. We'll use capital V for verbose, and then we'll set verbose equals 1. Else if it's lowercase v, we will set verbose equal to 0. Of course, I need my semicolons because that's how C works. And then I want to say otherwise C equals equals red. And then if verbose mode is enabled, we want to, we probably also want to say when we're turning this on, as serial send string enabling verbose mode, and we'll probably also print that when we turn it off, disabling verbose mode, and then we want to say if verbose send this. So that'll allow us to have not so noisy output. Hey, what's up, Geoskin at Code? Hello, welcome to the stream. Are we gambling? I don't think I have anything to gamble on today. Unless you guys want to bet on whether this compiles and works. But I'm pretty, as long as I got my semicolons, I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. Do you guys want to bet on that? We could bet on that. That is a thing that we could do. Coder says, I totally agree, although I started coding in college. Yeah, that makes sense. Pussy knew how to use Git. That's not actually true. I was using SVN when I started school, but I knew how to use version controls. That's fair, that's fair. Oh yeah, I don't even know what get re does. Get re. It's like retrying something. Reuse recorded resolution. Ah yes, it's for merge conflict resolution. I remember now. iSatisfied says, I'm thinking about changing my major to technology project management to focus on getting a career in information technology product management. As opposed to coding? Hey, this guy codes. Hello. Good to see you. Coding as a kid before it was cool. It's true. I mean, it was mostly to cheat on math homework and make cool little games, but some stuff. See, it doesn't have booleans. It does and it doesn't. C bool type. I don't know what version of C I'm actually targeting, so I'm going to cautiously target C89 because that's what I know best. And this is C99. Oh, no. Gross. No. I mostly just want like a variable that stores bool. Do they pound define bool as char? It doesn't fucking matter. Hey, I got points. Did they split the fucking bounty? Where's the rest of the bounty? How do I only get 25 points for a bounty? What happened here? This was a 50 bounty when I answered it. Do I get the other half when they accept the answer? How does this work? I don't know how Stack Overflow bounties work. But anyway, crumble crumble. Yeah, I did LF. Yeah, that was pretty funny. Hey, what's up, Catherine? Hello, hello. I've never met a product manager with a degree in product management. Same. I also have not either. Deed Elf says joining the stream late to see curly braces and semicolons is always a concern. Well, I mean, you're not too late. And we're not going to be running that much C today. Maybe. Hopefully. We'll see. Also, I mildly hate curly else curly because it makes it a little harder for me to follow the if else chain. I don't know. I like this style. It reminds me of... I mean, they're Egyptian braces. Hey, what's up, Coffee Coder? Hello, hello. Lol, Anthony using C. It's true, we are writing a little bit of C today. I have actually written a lot of C, so like this isn't terribly surprising for me, but yeah. Hey, what's up, Magicaros? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. C lies about Bools. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're character width anyway in C. So this, like, the only difference would be whether this says char or bool. I guess I could put bool and see whether it compiles. And write false. And write true and false and see if it compiles. I mean, it compiles. I am a little surprised, but fuck it. If it compiles, ship it. Oh, there's other bools in the file. Okay, well, that answers that, I guess. Alright, cool. We don't have to worry about it then. Did you say C89? Yeah, C89 was what I usually target. So, or at least that's what I'm used to writing C code that targets. Although I know that there's other stuff in here that's not C89, so I should have recognized, like, oh yeah, I have local variables in the middle of functions. That's legit. But yeah. Like Go just uses byte. Yeah, exactly. Because storing, I mean, doing a processor load for an individual bit is, I don't actually know if, does x86 even have a load a bit? I think the smallest increment I can load is a byte anyway. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Glorious Musketeer? Hello, hello. Bounties, you're lucky you got anything. I mean, I wouldn't have answered it if it weren't for the bounty. That's where you get the actual points on Stack Overflow. Not that the fucking points matter for anything, but I don't know. I'd say let's do it in KNR style, first edition pre-Enzy. No fun with that. There's no fun with that. C89 is older than you are. It's true. It is ever so slightly older than me. Also, page alignment, yeah, and word alignment, and all the other fun alignment games. I'm hopefully not thinking about those and just letting the compiler do it for me because, well, bit fields. Yeah, I mean there are bit fields, but I'm pretty sure most bit field implementations are load word and then and out the individual bit that you want. They're not actually, you know, load bit directly because that doesn't really make that much sense. Did you ever have to use CVS? Kind of. There was a period when I worked at a company that was migrating from CVS to SVN, so they had this weird CVS SVN wrapper. But all the code bases that I worked in were SVN, so it was not so bad. My own company had their own version control, only usable via Windows. I mean, all the development there was Windows, so it's possible that was also the case as well. Stack Overflow points worth more than channel points? Yeah, exactly, 26 variable. Well, actually, I don't know. With channel points, you can sometimes buy stuff, I guess. You can't really do that with Stack Overflow points. I guess you can be like, hey, look at all my points. Give me a job, but I don't know if that really works. Is it just me, or does it seem like my voice is lower today? Because I feel like it is. But chat will be the answer there. I don't actually know. I sound so manly today? It's mostly, I think it's because I was up late last night. So Programmers had a little like team group hangout thing last night, and we were up till like absurd hours of the morning, and there was lots of talking, and yeah, lots of talking mostly. But yeah. Bonk, butt clothing, what? Oh, that's true. We were looking at butt clothing. That was not my link, by the way. That was not my link, by the way. Yeah, I did merge the bot PR, DDLs. I saw yours and I saw Sarcastic Dante's. I don't know why you closed yours, because yours was first. You would have won the race. But I merged Sarcastic Dante's instead. Job 10 million stack over points. Yeah, right? Okay. I think this is what I want. Oh man, we get the drop song super early today. Cool. But anyway, there you go. So we're gonna flash this new code. Which will get rid of these rec fees. Just make, and it opens Steam. Stupid Steam. Okay, now. Bad password. Okay, so I gotta. It's always funny because I have to like super race it to get this just the right one. Okay, and I should be able to. Yeah, I missed the race the first one there. I was too quick. Too quick. Coffee Coder says, "What theme is that one? Which thing are you talking about? Are you talking about my text editor theme?" This theme? This one here? This is, actually, if you do bang theme, I believe it has the answer there. Goes because I missed one of the changes. Makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. Especially if two people sent PRs to poke me. Yeah. But yeah, the bang question one also got updated. Oh. Okay, so that's... Put that on there. Actually, don't know. I think I have my other switch plugged in today. Let's see. Let us see. Also, let me make sure the volume isn't super loud on this, because I had it up last night. Yeah, okay, that's the right switch. Is this super loud? Anyway, in this game, I'm hatching eggs. We're not going to actually be hatching eggs today, but we're going to be doing a different thing, where we are going to be murdering many, many Pokemon. So in Pokemon Home, there's a way to quick release Pokemon. And we're going to try and write some code that auto-releases everything. Let me just show you what it kind of looks like manually, and then we're going to write code to do it automatically. Dino says, "Not saying you're not special. I just didn't realize how special you were, so someone else did it better." Yes, I see, I see. Ooh, that's a cute emote, Coffee Coder. K-pop heart. Oh, I see. The stream is ended. Yeah, right, right. Is this Anthony writes C? Kind of. Kind of. We're gonna be writing a little bit of C today. Which is remove the stream for violating terms of service. Yeah. I found a great header for you, Anthong. Setjump.h. Is that for enabling and disabling interrupts? Man, how do I actually look at this? Set jump, long jump. Oh. Why did we get the AVR libc for this? Is this just for like random ass go-to shenanigans? I don't know. Okay, but anyway. In this, we are going to write a little thing. Yes, I want to connect to this. Why did it... Oh, because Steam opened again. But, yeah, let's actually move this box so I don't accidentally release the things that I don't want to move. Okay, so basically what I want to do is I want to take all of these Pokemon. Here, I'll put the primary up so that it's... Oh. These are not shiny Pokemon. These are egg rejects, and I have boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes of them. And we're going to be euthanizing all of them. But let me show you what I have to do, what I usually do manually to euthanize them. Oh, also here's some shiny Pokemon that I hatched. But to euthanize them, I go here, I press up twice, I press up twice again. I actually can press down once, but it's easier muscle memory for me to do it that way. And then I click through everything in this box, which is kind of error prone and kind of tedious. And then after this, I can press plus, and then up, and then A, and then A again. So that is what we are going to automate today. And then you can switch to the second box, and you can do 3 boxes at a time. So we're gonna do that today. And then you do plus to save it. I'm actually gonna save without quitting because I want to seed it from the first box. Yes. Running the main menu without saving changes. Okay, perfect, cool. All right, so let's hook up our controller. I want to try out the verbosity mode thing to see how that works. Oh, I shouldn't have plugged you in. Whoops. I gotta remember the order of operations here. Okay, so I gotta go here, and then this, and then I can plug in my custom controller. Okay, and so now it should boot into the game, assuming I did everything right. And boop. Okay, cool. All right, so that's basically where we were at before. But now if we look at the thing that reads the output here, this serial debug, serial debug, list index out of range. All right, dev USB, no, it's TTY USB. Yeah. Okay, so now if I were to, we're also going to change this code to not thrash my CPU as well, because I think we can be a little bit better about this. But yeah, go to shenanigans. Yeah, non-local jumps where you use set jump to save the context, long jump to jump to the specification. Yeah, it's like cross-function go to. It's crazy. Box of Ninjas says, "What is inside? What is inside? What? Inside what? Box of Ninjas? I don't know. The schematic extermination of innocent Pokemon. Yeah, it's true. Hey, what's up, KZ? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. It's going well. It's going well. Japundong says, "What bitrate are you streaming?" I am streaming. Well, I don't even know. I'm streaming 30 FPS 1080p, but that's not the answer to the question you're actually asking. I am outputting at 2500 kilobits per second. Kilobits per second? K little b ps. Big K little b ps. That is the streaming bitrate I'm streaming at right now. Not like you need the CPU available anyway. Yeah, it's true. It's true. I just want to make this thing less janky. Oh, I can close Steam again. Go away. Okay, but we don't want that one. This is this is my spam A in a loop code, which I was doing last night to spend all of that in-game currency that I made yesterday. Okay, but this is just gonna press A, just to make sure things are still working. Okay, cool. And you'll see that we didn't get any response back from the thing because we've turned off verbose mode. But in theory, if I do V, capital V, this should enable verbose mode. Cool, so you can see we enabled reverse mode and received 0. That's not quite right. we didn't actually receive a 0. Okay, let's fix that. So there's a joystick. Yeah, we just need to nest some if statements probably. Main. Yeah, this code should be in here. Whoops! Easy fix though. Make. We gotta do this again. Then we gotta reflash it. Reflashing is so annoying. Okay. Should have bet on it. Yeah, should have. Yeah, wouldn't got a channel point payout. Ah. Oh, I might not have been fast enough. Oh no, this is the worst. I was not fast enough. Is it gonna work? No. I hate that I have to race this to flash it. That's the most like fiddly part of this project, I think. Kebab bits, yeah. Stupid stream, no one like you, go away. What's inside all of your boxes? A ninja, perhaps? Oh, you mean them inside of my Pokemon boxes? It's a bunch of eggs. A bunch of babies. I guess that's the worst part about this. We're euthanizing a bunch of babies. Okay, so now I need to boot this into the right menu here. Come on. Why is the home button not working? There we go. To change grip and controller. And then we will plug in again. Is Noodle dead or just sleeping? Noodle's having the time of their life. Hanging out back there. I know we're missing out. Have you started dreaming about these little Windows noises yet? No. Fortunately not. Oh, I assume it booted in the game. I didn't actually watch it. Casey says, I've had 2 interviews with the company for the past weeks. However, it's for a systems engineer role, not like a software engineering role. Do you think that's a step back? In my opinion, yeah. But, yeah. In my opinion, that's a step back, but... They said stupid Steam, not stupid stream. Oh, I can read. I understand. I got it. Yeah, but yeah, Steam. Steam being Steam. Okay, so now we should be able to, I think in my little debugger here, my serial debugger, I think I'm gonna always have it, write verbose mode in. So ser.write bv. So this script will always be in verbose mode. But we're not gonna use this script much anymore. Is it still running? Yeah. Yeah, so this script will always be verbose mode. But we're gonna stop using this script. We're gonna write a new script. We're gonna write a bunch of new scripts. So the first is going to be press.py, which is just going to send one thing. If name equals main, exit main, f main int parser equals argument parser dot add argument, duration type equals float, default equals 0.1, import arg parse. We need serial dot serial. Press, and we'll do parser.add argument serial default equals dev tty usb 0. That way I don't have to type it on the command line anymore. Import serial. So open up args.serial. We will do. Oh, we need the key, of course. Parser.add argument key. And we'll do ser.write key.encode. We need time to sleep. Import time. Time.sleep args.duration. And then we will do. Oops. Ser.write null byte. Okay, so this will be our new run key press thing. So if we do Python 3 press A, of course we need args.key. Press A. Press A again. Okay, this is much less jank than the whack-ass shit that I did before. But yeah. I'm glad I'm not the only one who uses Nano instead of Vim. Well, I actually use my own text editor. Yeah, Marsha's trolling you a little bit, Novaglow. Casey says, kind of depends on the company. Some companies treat systems engineers as a DevOps role, which can be helpful, but just be careful that systems engineer typically means more on-call time and some hardware requirements. Yeah. Or like non-engineering role. That's what it usually means to me. For a larger startup, not really on call from what I've gathered thus far. Needs to be args.key. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, I have an alias. The Nova Globe. So that's why it does that. Okay, but we have a thing that we can press buttons now. So we can press left and right, and maybe we can add a count as well. Yeah, let's do that. Parser.add argument count. What should probably be first? Count type equals int, default equals 1, and then we can do for underscore in range. And we'll probably put this to 0.05. Marks.count. We also have to sleep after this as well. We'll just on and off same duration. I'm probably never going to use these arguments, but they're there anyway. So if we did d count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, so that gets us to our position where we can start writing our code here, which is good. Let me make sure that I closed out of that CPU gobbler. Okay, we no longer have the CPU gobbler. Cool. Parser.add arugula, yeah. Only maniacs work with hardware. Oh wait, yeah, it's true. It's true. I got better at coding with knowledge of hardware. I think most people do. Yeah, I think so in some ways. I don't think this has made me a better programmer though. If anything, I'm hacking shit together. So, all right. So let's make a release box.py. And eventually I'll fold this into more of a centralized UI, but for now, I'm just gonna run it as a one-off script. Actually, this should be. We're gonna call this release home.py because it's the. Actually, usually it's supposed to be noun verb, so home release.py. Yeah, there we go. Noun verb. I always recommend noun verb when naming things. Return 0. Import serial. Okay, print. When ready. Oh, actually, we are gonna need argparse for this because we need to know how many boxes we're releasing. Argparse. Parser equals argparse.argument parser. Can I automate the whole thing? Yeah, the problem is I want to know how many boxes I have and then how many I need to release. Yeah, so let's actually not make it interactive. But let's navigate over a few boxes. Python. Oh, okay, this virtual env is getting annoying. Echo deactivate to .deactivate.sh. We have been activate to .activate.sh, and then activator should handle getting me my virtual env for me. Okay. Press.py, we're going to press L 18 times. And duration, we're gonna probably put it at 0.1, so. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Fuck. Oh well. It wraps around, so that's fine. I definitely didn't do it 18 times, so that's because of the lag. Duration 0.5, so that's actually good to know that that this is a little bit fiddly. That box 19. Okay, so we're gonna remember that for later. Parser.add argument boxes n equal type equals int. So that is a required argument. Parse args box counts. Yes. Okay, so we need to figure out how many runs we need to do, and you can only release 3 boxes at a time, so it's a little bit fiddly. Not a better programmer, but you're broadening your knowledge, and that itself can make you a better programmer. Yeah, I guess that's true. Nothing evil going on here, just releasing some Pokemon that he's liberated into the wild. Yeah, we're adjusting the natural fauna. I feel like I could have already manually clicked through them all by now. There were only 30 boxes. Yes, it's true. I could have done this manually by now. However, I will fill up these boxes many, many times. So, this is... I'm writing code to save myself time later, but almost certainly spending more time writing this code, but at least it's fun. And so that's the important part. Can you make it beep when it's done? Maybe. Magic Error says, poke hardware registers like a maniac just because. Oh, we're not poking any hardware registers. We're good. Asjoin, hello. Good to see you. Yeah, long time. Busy. Just in time to say hi, and how are you? Heading to bed? Whoa, 4:30, wow. Have a good one. Well, thank you for stopping by, Asjoin. It's good to see you. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to figure out how many times we need to release boxes, and we need to release them at a particular offset. And we need to reset the game to get to that particular place. And we need to start from box 1. We need to assume that they're all in box 1. Otherwise, this script is dangerous. Oh no, I saw the XKCD link, details. I've seen this XKCD many times. It's this it's the automation one, yeah. Oh wait, this isn't the one I was thinking about. Where's the other one? There's the one where it's like the units of time automation thing. I mean, yeah, this is also true, but yeah. So but no, I got you. Okay, so what we need to do to start this, should we make it start at the title screen? 12:05 is the unit time one? Okay, cool. That was the one I was thinking of. This one, yeah. But anyway. We're doing it because it's cool, not because I need to do it. I could have done this all manually. It's fine. Oh shit, why is my phone? Oh, Dick Sword. The Dick Sword! Let's, let's do it from the title screen. I guess we need to do plus. And then down. And and then wait. So that lag right there is gonna come into play later. Okay, so we're gonna start from the title screen. That's where we're gonna start doing this. Okay, so we're gonna do release 3, and we need box offset as an int. And box n as an int. So it needs to know which box it needs to navigate to, then it needs to know how many boxes it's going to release. So in my case, my overall box count is 19, and we're going to start by releasing the first 3 boxes. Yeah. Just because I know I'm going to have to do this later. Add argument. We're going to also add an offset here in case we do part of this, because, you know, as I write this, it's not going to work the first time. Type equals int, default equals 0. So if we release 3 boxes and we start at the 4th box, we would set offset to 3. Just in case it needs to do that. So yeah, that'll just help us for debugging later. Okay, so for release 3, we need to... oh, we also probably need to pass in the serial. Serial.serial. We'll call it sir, because that's what we called it before. With... Oh, we also have to add an argument for that. Parser.add argument. Serial type equals... Well, no, we don't have to have type. Default equals dev tty usb 0. With serial.serial, args.serial 9600 as sir. Is that how this worked in Pret? Yes. Okay, perfect. Let's see. we need to figure out how many runs we need to do, and we need to know our offset. So our runs is going to be box count minus offset divided by 3. Integer divide 3. So for n in this is gonna work. Args dot offset minus, or args dot box count minus args dot offset integer divide 3. Oh wait, we want it to round up. So we have to do. How do you round up? Plus 3? Plus 2? Plus 3? It's 18 divided by 3, we'll get 6. It's 18. If it's 19 divided by 3, we'll get 6. If it's 19 plus 3, plus 2? I think we need to do plus 2. Yeah, I can do ceiling. I can just do math. Yeah. I could just do math. I'm bored. Math. It's math.ceil. It's not a built-in. Math.ceil. 19 divided by 3. I'll do floating point math. And it gives us an int. Okay, we'll use math. I want to do without importing math, but you're right. We shouldn't think about it. No think, only program. Math.ceil. We need range. Boop, boop. And so then we will call release 3 with serial. Box offset will be args.offset plus 3 times n. And then box n. Okay, so for the n, we need to figure out whether we are not in the last box, and we need to mod. Let's see. Runs equals this range runs. This is how we can know. Oops. We'll know this is the last one. This minus 1 will be the last one. If n equals runs minus 1, then box n equals args.box count mod 3. Otherwise, box n equals 3. So let's just do this. So if I print box offset box n, and see if we got our math properly there. Oops. We got a buddy problem. We've got a buddy problem, as Juice would say. Okay, so let's say we're releasing 19 boxes. So 0, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15, 3, 18, 1. Yep, that looks good. If we do 18, what? Oh, wait. That's not right. Right, that's not right either. So I need to, if it exactly divides, we need to release 3. Why is this tricky? I feel like there's some subtraction here. Oh, I can do... I can do subtraction. That would probably be the easiest way to think about this instead of trying to do some mathy stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do some subtraction. Are you doing math in your head when you had Python open? Yeah, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true. Could this maybe release all of your shinies on accident? Yes, DDLs, but that's why we're being... We're risking it here. We're risking it for the biscuit. I don't think it can. Also, we'll watch it so I can just interrupt it if it does. But we're going to try and be very careful with the box switching code so that it doesn't do that. But you're right. If this were done incorrectly, it could release some shiny Pokemon. We could even be a little bit safer and move them off of this game manually before we do this. Like that could be something that we do. Just to make sure. Just to make sure. Okay, so let's fix this. Do equals args.box count. If args.box count is greater than or equal to 3, then... Oh, I don't even need to do this math stuff. Yeah, we can just do while to do. While to do box if to do is greater than or equal to 3, then box n equals 3. Otherwise, box n is equal to do. So that'll get us how many we need to do, and then we can do offset equals, oh, this should be box count minus args.offset. Offset equals args.offset. And then we call release on sir offset and box n, and then we do to do minus equals box n and offset plus equals box n, and that should get us our loop. So let's try this now. We'll just call it release then. Okay, this looks better. Let's say if we did offset 2, so it'll release 3 from box 2, and then 17 it'll release just box 18. Okay, we did this 19. Yeah, this is looking much better. So my current run right now would do this. So it would release these from box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then box 19. Okay. Okay. All right. So I like that so far. So let's write the actual code. So the loop, what it's going to do is this release is going to start from the home screen. So we need to... man, I really wish I had a stopwatch. I'm gonna open the stopwatch on my phone because I have a phone and can therefore do it. Timer. Oh, don't want to turn a 4:20 a.m. alarm on. That would have been a bad time. Okay, so I'm going to press A now. Yes. Oh, well, you know what? Fuck it. We're not going to use a timer. We're just going to guess and check this, because getting these small, short times is not going to work well. Okay, so that probably is like 2 seconds. We actually don't care about the timing here all that much. Oh, we want to do a press function. Duration. Well, car alarm's gonna go off. Yep, there it is. Every fucking time. Every fucking time. Press S dot. Oh, no, we need serial. Serial. Goddamn car alarm. Serial dot write. S dot encode. Time dot sleep duration. S dot ser dot write 0. Time dot sleep 0.05. That gets us our button press. Time. Okay, so we need to press A. Time dot sleep 2. Wait 2 seconds. Then we need to press A again. And I need to wait a second after that. Time on sleep 1. And then we need to press A again. 1000, 2, 1003, 1004, 1005. Let's probably set that to like, I don't know, 10 seconds. Time.sleep 10. Okay, so now we're into the game. Now we need to do the box navigation stuff. So we need to press left to get to the box. So we'll do that by pressing A. And there's some animation time on that, so we'll have to do press left and then time.sleep, probably 0.25 or something like that. And then we need to initialize the release. So this is going to be the first box. Box 1. So we need to do press big A. Big A. Then we wait for that dialogue to show up. So that's probably another 0.25. Maybe the car alarm is automated. You're just winging these times so hard. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the times end up being like. We'll run it. And I'll run it in like a dry run mode, so it doesn't actually release anything. Just to test these times out, because I assume they're gonna be wrong. But yeah. Okay, so we press A. We press up twice. Press W, press W, and probably have to sleep in between these. Time.sleep. You know what? I'm just gonna put some debouncing in here so I don't have to do these short sleeps. Yeah, we'll sleep a 1/10 of a second. Being so lewd. What did I even do? What? How am I being lewd? Also, where is the syntax error? Up here. Okay. WW. W. And then A. Then we probably have to put a sleep here. Press A. That shows a menu, so we probably gotta wait a little bit there. Time.sleep. I don't know, let's say 0.75. Then we can press down. S. And then press A. So S. And then A. And then we start our game. So let's try this so far. System exit 0. I'm gonna try that, see what happens. Oh, we also need to do our offset here. I understand. Aldefondo, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So let's actually do that first. So we need to press R a number of times based on our box offset. 4_in_range box offset. Press the R button. And then we're gonna do time.sleep. I don't know, it probably takes a whole second to load the next box. So we're gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this. Let's try what we have so far. Alright, so we gotta exit out of this, so we're gonna do plus. And then and do X, cancel the release, do plus B. God, this is so painful to type one input at a time. S A. Okay, so let's try this now. So be able to run this. Fuck me. All these press calls are wrong. Okay, that should fix all of those. Got to pass the serial along with it. Ugh. Okay. Oh, you clipped the thing that I said that you bonked me for. That's a stretch, Marsha. That's a stretch. Ice Cold Witch says stop being lewd. That's a stretch. All this lack of sleep, yeah. Magikarp says I can't even I-8080 anymore. What are you talking about? Oh, your crossover. Yeah, I see. Ready to get your 0.25 seconds of sleep? Yeah. Can you just make a little repper, wait for input, and then queue it up? Yeah, I could. Or a little repl, not repper. Yeah, I could do that. I misread. You typed it properly. Want to be clear there. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, that sleep's a little bit long, but it's good that it's long because it connects to the internet, so it could be problematic there. That sleep is long. Oh no, that sleep is too short. Okay, so the menu is not... It is too long. Let's put it at 8 seconds. And this one is too short. And this one's too short. Right? Yeah, because the first menu it opened was not long enough. Let's try 0.75. Plus, and then... down. Maybe I should make a curses thing that does this. A. And then A. Okay, try this again. Miss Jillary, hello, hello. Good to see you. Alright, let's try this again. Okay. I could probably make that first sleep a little bit shorter. I don't really need to min-max it. Okay, that's much better. Oh, we missed the second one's too short, too. Set it to 1. A little bit of annoying tweaking here. My internet clock may freeze at 0.1 seconds for a few hours on accident. Right? Plus down A. Oh, that's too quick. Alright, let's try this again. Also for the shits and giggles, let's set offset to 2 and see if it moves the boxes over properly. There's Pseudo Snoot on Discord. Oh, nice. The puppy, I assume. Yes. Okay, let's try this. Oh, in the wrong order. Okay, well. That's good at least. Press X, then press B, and then A, and then plus, then S, then A, and then A. Okay, so... when does it run? Oh, this is when it goes left. This is when it gets into the right position. And this is when it wraps around the screen. Okay, I understand now. And then this is where it does the menu. Got it. So that should do our offset better now. Okay, hey, what's up? Infinite Lup, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so at this point it is now selected the Pokemon, and so now we need to do the little snake to release them all, and then we gotta snake back the other way, and then snake this way. Or I could make it a little bit slower and not do the snaking. Actually, it's probably better if I don't do the snaking. Yeah, it's probably better if I don't do the snaking and just make it consistent each time. Yeah. That would actually make things way simpler. Yeah, we'll do that. That way the code's easier. It might be a little bit slower, but so in order to do that, I need to press right 6 times. This is left. We need to go right. For this in range 6, we need to press this. We're gonna sleep 0.1 in between it. Then we are going to move the boxes. Move to game boxes. Move offset to correct position. And then we just need to release number of boxes. Yeah. For this in range, box N, we need to select the Pokemon, and then we gotta sneak down. Wouldn't it be more repeatable with snaking and 2 boxes at a time? Yeah, it totally would. It totally would. But I'm just gonna make the code simpler. Code's gonna be simpler if I just do 1 box at a time. So I'm gonna make it snake down, and then go back up to the top of the box and snake down. The other problem that this solves is the last box is not necessarily full. And if you start trying to release from a Pokemon that doesn't exist, it'll not do the right thing. So I need to make sure that I'm starting in the top left anyway, and so it'll save that error case as well. So it cleans up a few edge cases, but yeah. Alexa Beat says, "Whoa, controlling a Switch looks pretty cool." Yeah, it is. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. We are controlling a real Switch, not an emulator, a real Switch. Box sounds like Bonks or Socks or Fox. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Okay, but for the first box, we need to do 5, then down, then 6, then down, then 6, then down, then oh wait, it's... why is my brain breaking? There's 6 like this, and 5 tall. Ramzom, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So we're starting here. We got to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's 5 and then down, then 5 and then down, and 5 and then down. I understand. Actually, I wonder if that works for wrapping around. Probably not. Ugh. Let's see. For this in range 5. Press serial right. So we're gonna go right first, which is B. And then press serial A. And then we got to go down, press Sear S. Press serial A. So that'll get us onto the second row right here. Here. And then we gotta go left 5 times. This code's gonna be ugly. For this in range 5, press serial left, and then A. So that gets us to here. And then we gotta do press here. I'm just gonna write this all out, and then we can see if there's opportunities to simplify this. Okay, so now we're here. And then we do this again. So I think I can repeat this chunk twice. This chunk twice. Yeah, I think that's right. Because now we're here. We started here. We got to here, and then we got to here. So we can do this twice. Now that puts us at here, and so then we just need to do the last 5. Presser A. Press. Oh wait, we want D, not A. We gotta go right, sir. D. A. What am I doing? Elixir Beat says my favorite Switch game is Zelda, especially cooking. Oh, I actually have not played Breath of the Wild. I plan to at some point though. Can I ask a question about MyPy and PyTest? Yeah, sure. With mocked objects, I'm trying to figure out the right way to use mock special stuff like side effect without making MyPy complain. My opinion about typing is that you should not bother in tests because they are going to fail anyway if you fuck up. I recommend enabling just the, check the signatures part and not the like full type stricts in test because it's kind of a waste of time. But yeah, mocks are essentially just any. If you show your code sample though, usually you can use mocking without needing to do any special typing. Usually it should just work. Like I suspect you're assigning side effect when you should really be doing it as part of context manager. If you include sir in every call to press, can you not like make it so you don't have to do that? Yes, I could make a function inside here that I just access, but this is fine. Okay, so once I've done all of that, I should have released the 3. Oh, this is releasing the full box. So then I need to reset back up to the top. So I'm now here. So I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to do 4 ups and, well, we need to actually do the release at that point. Well, I could probably do the movement first and then do the release. Yeah, let's do that. Presser W. Place first 4 rows. Or I guess mark first 4 rows. Mark first 4 rows. Mark last row. Turn to 0, 0. Press up 4 times, and then for this in range 5. And there's probably a faster way to wrap around, but I'm not gonna. I don't care. We're gonna move left 5 times. Okay, so that should get us to the point where we can press plus to do the release. I don't remember the exact. I don't remember the exact thing that we have to do here, so I'm gonna read the menu here. So we're gonna raise system exit right here, and we'll try that so far. See how that does. Alright, we don't have math anymore. 96, we have the new line problem. Okay, so let's try this. Let's see what we got here. Okay, move to the right 6 now. Oh, I fucked it up. I think the timing is wrong. Okay, so we're off by a little bit. Kind of cool though. So I think the timing after this needs to be more. So let's put this to 0.5. So let's press B, and then X, and then B, and then A, and plus, and then S, A. Oh, that was too quick. Oh, let's try that again. Mindful Fox, hello, hello. Are you winning, son? Yeah, it's going, it's going. It's going. Basically, it's nitpicky stuff. It's not important for functionality. Just making my pen not complain about types and unit tests. You mock out object return values. Yeah, I know how mocking works, but if you can show the code, I can probably help you fix it. But yeah, we're euthanizing a lot of babies today, Mindful Fox. I'm releasing multiple boxes of Pokemon at once with code. Yeah. Oh, I should have looked at the menuing for Plus instead of getting fixated on everything else. Well, we'll look at it this time. Bad Killer, yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully we fixed the race there. Okay, should move over. Okay. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Nice. 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 Okay, that was good. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to wait for that thing. So we probably have to sleep for, I don't know, half a second. Time to sleep 0.5. And then we need to press A. And we probably need to sleep for, I don't know, 1.5? I don't know. And then we need to move on to the next box. Then we need to do perform the release. Then on to the next box. Pressor. Holy fuck this up here. R to move over. And then we gotta sleep for some amounts for that box to be ready. How much did we wait for? We waited 1 second for moving over before. I hope that's enough, but we'll see. All right, let's see if this works. We're gonna let it run 3 boxes. We'll see if the 3 boxes work. I'm pretty confident. I think it'll work. I'm not gonna save it though, so we'll have that at least, assuming the code doesn't fuck up, because it's also possible the code fucks up. Okay, so we got to B, and then X, and then B, and then pull A, then plus, and then W, no S, S, A, and then A again, and then we will try resetting from the top. Hey, what's up, C64 Gamer? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, let's try it. We could almost do a prediction here, right? Is it gonna release the 3 boxes? Do we want to do a prediction? We'll do a prediction. Fuck it. We'll let you bet your channel points. Start a prediction. Will this code properly release the 3 boxes? Question mark. Yes or no. We'll give you a minute to answer. Bet your channel points, chat. 3D Primus says, how did you hook up that switch? So I have a little diagram for you. And you can see most of the parts on the screen. Let's see, ace_switch microcontroller. So, if we look at our diagram here, I have my computer, which is hooked up by a USB mini cable, which is this cable right here. This comes from my computer to an FTDI chip. Should we go back here? FTDI chip. This is basically. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Fuck. Is that right? I screwed up my. Oh damn it! I hate when this happens. Okay, well, whatever. Hopefully that's fine. Is there 1 pixel? There's 1 pixel. Shit. Better? Good. Okay, but it goes to an FTDI device. This converts USB to serial, And that's TX and RX, so that's what this orange and yellow wire are connecting to a Pro Micro. This is a little microchip. Let me just show you memory. Yeah, so you can see the yellow and orange wire here. Those are connecting the serial to the actual board. This is the board, and then this USB cable goes into my Switch. And yeah, that's how all of this is hooked up. All right, prediction is in. We're gonna see whether this works. Not even a mispaint. Yeah, gambling addiction intensifies. Exactly. How many of you did this? If I'm allowed to ask, is there a list of hardware components you bought for your project? Yes, it is actually directly in that same README, right above here. Requirements. These are the hardware parts. So the total cost is, if you include the USB cables, this is $10. This is $9, but you get 2 of them. So if you make 2 of these, it's really, $4.50. You can also get this one a little bit cheaper. This is just the one that I happen to click on. So we're looking at like $15 plus your USB cables, which are probably about $5 a piece. So total cost of this is about $20. Not actually that much. That said, there is a device that's selling exactly what I've built here that costs like $250. So this is essentially a steal. Also, if you want me to make one, I guess I could do that. You could hop into the Discord and send me a message, and I could put together the parts for you, flash the firmware, and guide you through setting it up. I could probably do that for, I don't know, double the cost of the components or something like that for the expertise. But it's entirely open source, so you can do this all yourself if you really want to. But I don't know, might be worth it for you to ask me to do it. He's gonna put in a backdoor. No. Okay. All right. So the bets are in. Dean Elsps is doubting me, but let's see if it works. I should have increased the box switch sleep. That would have been then it would have been slightly more likely to work. But anyway, we'll see. Come on, code. Come on, code. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, that is cutting it very close there. Okay. Fuck. Okay, it didn't work. Not enough sleep on that dialogue there. Alright. We resolve this prediction with a no. A no. Correct. No. Did not work. Okay. Making my babbies back. What's 19? 19 is the number of boxes I need to release. So I have 19 boxes of hatched eggs that I'm going to be euthanizing. Alright. Let's do another prediction. My prediction. You guys didn't bet many points that time. So we'll do the same prediction. We're gonna increase those sleeps this time. Kushimitama, hello. Hey dude, what neat stuff do we have going on here? Python C and the Switch. See that Nintendo Switch down there? That is connected through a capture card to my computer. And I am controlling it with this microcontroller that you see on screen down here. And a little bit of Python. So this sleep is not enough. So let's set this to 1. Let's also set this to 2. Just to make sure there. Elixir Beats, just put it in a paste bin. So paste code. So I can just click on a link. Lewd Anthony and Scammer Anthony, same stream, says Ice Cold Witch. What? I'm not scamming you on anything. I bet half the points I had, said D-Dels. I guess you got a lot. Yeah, just put it in the paste bin. That way I can see the actual code. And you can post links in the chat, because we are a programming stream, so we encourage and suggest that you post links and stuff. I'm not scamming, see you admit to being lewd. I didn't say I wasn't lewd. There's a rather decent probability that I'm somewhat lewd at some point in time, so we'll yeah, okay. A, and then plus, then S, and then A. D-Del says, I lost all my points yesterday because it took too long for a shiny. We did get a shiny, though. Hey, what's up, the on this river? I'm not clicking on that. I know better than that. I'm not clicking on that. We did get a shiny yesterday, though, chat. I don't think the VOD is up on YouTube yet. No one clipped it, which... Shame on you, chat. The one thing that you should have clipped from the whole stream and you didn't clip it. But yeah, towards the end here, we oh, I missed this. Missed the sparkle. Here we go. Tofu farting. Hey, what's up? Where's X? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Just want to lurk. Oh, but you're betting against me already? And lurking, where's X? What's up with that? Big P, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, this is the shiny that we got last stream with the resetter. So yeah, this was we got a shiny Pokemon. Anyway, there we go. That was last stream. How goes the microcontroller hunt? We're actually euthanizing today. We're not hunted for shinies today. We're euthanizing. I just clip out of context lewds? Yeah, that's pretty true. That seems to be the way the stream clips go. Alright. This is gonna work. You said links are appreciated. Oh, I see, and that's why you like W schools. I understand the Endless River. I understand. I used to be a believer, but I switched. This is your last prediction, D-Nels? Alright, well, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it should move to the right soon. Yes. That one is cutting it so close. Okay, but this is looking good so far. This was working last time, though. Move up and left. And... oh, it didn't work! Shit. Well, that's another no. Man, I have to make that even slower? That's another no. Easy points, always bet no. Damn it, man. Alright, well. I know y'all love gambling, so we're gonna do it again. Here's another one. Okay, so we gotta make those even slower. I can't believe the text speed is so fucking slow on those. So this is 1 second. We're gonna set it to 1 point... we'll set it to 2 and 3? 2 and 4? God, it makes me wonder if switching boxes is gonna be too slow. Why does this game lag so fucking much? Ah, Mindful Fox! Why you gotta taunt me with the cat? I love Ponko Cat so much. And we're gonna make this more consistent because I don't actually know how long this takes. We actually never tested this code either. Whereas X says my code doesn't even compile on the first try. I can't steal built-in emotes, otherwise yeah, we would have A2EC haha cat. But I can't do that. Can't do that. Alright, well, we're gonna try this. Everyone voted no? Wait, did no one vote yes that time? Did everyone just get their points back? He also has fate this time? Just change 1 pixel and you're good? I mean, it's pretty much what we're doing, right? Michaela always, or sorry, Marsha always votes yes. Yes, indeed. Indeed, indeed. But you usually only vote yes with like 10 points, so... If everyone votes no, is there not much to gain? It's true, it's true. Yeah. Yeah, but you could bet big and win big, Marsha. All right, the tallies are in. Oh, I gotta exit out again. X, and then B, and then A, and then plus, then S, A, and then A. Yes is going to win a bunch of points, says 26 variable. Oh, did you bet a bunch on no? Is that what you're saying? I think my vote was late. No, I think you got it in. Silly Button says, well, here goes my points when it magically works. Exactly. Them's the breaks of betting here. Alright. Let's do it. Come on. Hopefully I had enough sleeps for those stupid slow-ass menus. Yeah, we know this part's good because we run it a bunch of times now. Plus? What the fuck happened there? I must have the wrong character codes even. Oh, it didn't even press up. Son of a bitch. Well, a lot of you voted no, so not much changed here. Here's outcome, no. What is going on here? Lead prediction. Oh. Yeah, I need to press up before I press A. Discord JS developer, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So there was no hope of this ever succeeding. And it's possible that the sleep is fine. We're gonna up the ante. We're gonna make it a little bit risky here. We're gonna put 1.5 there. And we're gonna put this at 2.5. Yeah, we're gonna go a little risky. We're gonna go a little risky. Make the bets a little spicier. What do you think? Alright, another prediction open. Go for it, bet. We'll look at Elixir Beats' paste pin. Test 1, mocked network, my class. Yeah, so the problem is, this is, your annotation here is slightly wrong. So what you should actually be doing, instead of doing it like this, is yielding your mock out of here. So what you want here is, as MCK, and then you can do, you actually don't need, this isn't actually a class, this is an instance, but I understand that you're, oh god, what have I done? Why have I opened Chrome Help? You want to yield your mock out of here. So this is actually tuple my class mock.mock, and then you can say my class, actually mocked network comma mck equals mocked network, and then you can use mck.return value. But even better would be to, you know, use the keyword arguments of this function itself to set the return value, but then you'd have to invert this a little bit and have it be a factory function instead of working like that. But yeah, that's how I would do it. Noman Shake, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't normally gamble, says the other server. Even went to Vegas without spending money on gambling. I also went to Vegas without spending money on gambling. Yeah, you can post links, Kushimi Tama. Yeah, links are on. Links are on. Any secret rigging predictions on purpose mistakes? No. Why would I make mistakes on purpose? I want this shit to work. I want this shit to work, chat. Hey, what's up, Ethan Timing? Hello, hello. Sorry. Hello, hello. Exactly. Did you really go to Vegas if you didn't lose any money? I did lose money because I spent money on a concert, so technically I lost money, but yeah. Kushima Thomas says, did you use this as your communication library or did you write your own? I wrote my own. I wrote my own. How does this one work? Joy control. Emulate over Bluetooth. So yeah, this is the whole like Bluetooth emulation. I actually have a physical device here, right here. I am not using this Bluetooth library. I'm using a microcontroller, which I think is way more hardcore. Joy control, wasn't that a band from the 80s? Everything was a band from the 80s. Alright, predictions are in. Let's run the new version of this code. Oh, we gotta exit out first. Fuck. X, B, A, plus, S, A, and A. Hardware is hardcore. Yeah, exactly. Aziz Wilhelm, hey, how's it going? It's been a while. Welcome back. How you doing? All right. Let's... God, I hope it works this time. And this part is pretty consistent. There's still that one that makes me nervous every time it happens. One of these times I feel like it's gonna race. Oops. That one right there. That one I feel like it's gonna race. Okay, hopefully we press down after plus this time. Plus. Or up, either way it works. Oh, we need one more A there. Fucking A, god damn it. Stupid. And it's another no. It's another no. And we'll make another one already. Okay, so we gotta press A after some sleep because it does a menu here. Wait, I missed it. Did it... Did you do the animation before or after? You can just set these to 2 and then 2.5. And maybe this is too slow. Okay, I think this is going to work, but it's going to be too slow. Plus and plus A and A. We're gonna see what happens when Anthony ends the stream on my Google Chromecast tonight. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I don't know what that's gonna do. What did you reference as documentation? What documentation? Nothing? I mean, I forked a project that was mostly done, so I had to do a lot of stuff. I thought you say fucking A when something good happens. Yeah, Mindful Fox's blue is a slightly different blue than it used to be, but I also don't think Mindful Fox has Prime or whatever anymore, so it'll be this blue now. Does the serial device respond with anything? Feels like you need some way of condition your code based on feedback. But doing processing of the video sounds really hard. It's actually not that hard because I have a capture card. I could do that there. I can make the serial device send things back, but it's not useful. Like, I don't know anything about the actual game state. So I mostly just sleep racing everything. Kabam says programming microcontrollers in Python. The future is now. So technically, I'm just programming the serial interface in Python. The actual microcontroller is C. But yeah, you can see it now. In a month, Anthony will have the best Mario Kart player online. Oh yeah. What's the project you forked? If you look at Bang project and look at forks, you can find the answer to that there. But at this point, I've mostly deleted all their code, so it's mostly my code. Plus, they're like HID bootstrap. The HID is the part that I would never have been able to do on my own, so I'm glad that they did that part. But the rest of it's essentially my design. Okay, predictions in. I have a feeling this one's going to work. Well, I said that last time, so we will see. We will see. And we wait a long time because of the network lag. 3 Primas voted no and lost all hope. Come on. Oh, the animation's after the second one. Okay, but I think it still is gonna work. Yeah, buddy! We're on to the second box. This is looking like a yes. Okay, but this first sleep, I can decrease that one. Nice. 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 Elixir beats. Thank you for the resub. At 2 months, we appreciate you streaming. I learned a lot watching expert Pythoner. I'm glad you like that. Oh, why is it still going? What is it doing? Stop, 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 stop. No, 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 stop, stop. It worked though, so we did release the 3 box as the prediction said. Can the first dot ever be empty? No. It cannot. Will this code properly release the 3 boxes? It did properly release the 3 boxes, so the answer is yes. Come on, please fail. No, we're good. We're good. The first bot cannot be empty based on how I do stuff. Pythonista is the correct term. Yeah, no, this was properly. It properly released the 3 boxes. So it completed the release function, which is what I wanted it to do. But now we need to do the next part, which is where it actually saves the game. Which I'm going to develop that. We're going to exit out of this. Plus. Then S. I have to go through the actual saving bit, so we're going to write a little function that just enters the game and then saves out. Get that part working. That's from this point here. Raise system exit 0. Okay, so now that we're in the game, we need to press plus, and then I think it's A twice. Press plus, and then time.sleep is probably a menu, so probably sleep for 2. And press A. And then we probably have to sleep for like 10. Let's try that. See what that does. Your code is toxic. Dude man says I ordered a BDN9 because of your explanation video. Nice! It's a pretty nice little kit. It's pretty easy to put together as well. Marsha, you won 17 babbies. Nice. I actually think I need to press A twice here. We're gonna do this. I think there's a menu that you have to press A on. I think I actually need to set this to like 20. I'll set it to 15. Let's try that. It should enter the game and then it should save and quit. Let's wait for it to press plus. We had a type error because this function sucks. Should have ran MyPy. 3 Primus says I've lost it all. Oh my, now I have to watch your stream for several more hours. Oh no. I'm sorry. Well, I guess we can try this out here. So if we do A. Okay, so it's just one A, and then we wait like 5 seconds, and then we press A again. Oh, and then we wait for a few seconds. It's actually not that slow. We wait for like 4 seconds and 5 seconds. Probably can get away with 3. So let's do 5. Do 2, 5, and 3. Okay, let's try that. Should open the game and then save it and finish. This function sucks. Yeah, it does. And you even noticed it, Michaela. You noticed that function sucks. It's not just me. Okay, and it should save. Then again. Cool. I actually think that I want to put a little bit more sleep on this just to make it consistent. So I'll put 10 there. And then I think I just need to move this down to the ends here. And then I think it should just work. I guess we'll do one last prediction. Prediction. Will the code release all 19 boxes? We'll set yes, and we'll set no. We'll give you a minute to bet this one. This is for all the marbles. Yeah, but I think this is all we need to do down here, because I think we handled this properly. Yeah, I think this is it. This code is so gross. Oh wait, we gotta get rid of this here. Of course. Somebody rich go all in? Wise Guy says, how are we interfacing with the Switch? Do bang project, and I have a little diagram in the README of that. But it is serial to USB to serial, and then serial to Pro Micro, and then Pro Micro to USB. So we're daisy chaining USB to microchip to USB to the Switch. Okay, prediction is in. Are we gonna be able to release all 19 boxes here? This one's scary. Well, at least I can control C it if things go wrong before it saves. But anyway, here we go. I predicted before you remove the system exit, says Range of the Good. Were you betting on the system exit? Should I redo the prediction because you said that? I can redo the prediction. We'll redo the prediction. So we'll just do delete and return points. Okay, we'll allow you to do that. No match fixing this time. Okay, we'll redo the prediction. Oh fuck, it deleted the whole thing. Will this code properly release all 19 boxes? Question mark. Yes, no. Start prediction. Okay. Alright, Range of the Good. Now you can vote with your heart. I'm not going to modify the code until I press enter. So there will be no match fixing. We're not cheating here. You said no match fixing this time, so you admitted it previously? No, I admit that it was possible that you could have voted based on information that was not set in stone. Oh, now you're voting yes. Okay, I see. I got you. As long as you flip-flopped Range of the Good. If you didn't flip-flop, I would have been like, you son of a bitch. Now you're just gaming the system. Trying to get those stunks on your side. But yeah, we removed the system exit. Should be good. You're not even betting all that many channel points. I feel like this is very, very split here. Or have you lost all your channel points? Is that the thing? Okay. Prediction is in. Here we go, chat. Are we ready? Venus is all in! To the moon! You're all in on no, though. Venus. Okay, alright, here we go. All in on no for Venus. I actually don't know if it's going to do the last box properly. I think it does, but I'm not 100% sure. Like, I think it's going to just press A in the blank spaces, which is fine. But we'll find out. In it for the profit strictly? I see. It's pronounced benigns? No, we're going to pronounce it Venus. I think it's actually pronounced beans, but I like Venus, so... Anyway, here we go. It's beans, but I like Venus too. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Hey, come on, go over to the box. All right, off to the races. Okay. Hey, what's up, Ezekiel? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, shift over a box. Onto the second box. Nice. Betting on automation, what a time to be alive. Yeah, exactly, right? Clip it and ship it for me saying I like Venus. I mean, my throat is feeling better? Yes, it is feeling a little bit better, although my voice is notably a little bit different this stream, as people have... I pointed out and someone's like, yeah. So, from all the talking last night. Okay, so this is the part where it should save and exit after this, which we're not 100% certain about. We're also not 100% certain about it scooting over to the right boxes. So it's shifted over the box. Should save here. Oh god, the save's taking so long. Oh no. Maybe it worked. That save was cutting it so close, though. Oh, it fucked up. No! Alright. That's a no, chat. That's a no. In it for the profit, Venus. Son of a bitch. Went from 3K to 100. Them's the breaks. Okay, so we had two things that we need to adjust here. One is the save time needs to be way longer, because apparently the network can be shitty. So let's set that to, I don't know, 15. The other thing is on the first menuing, something needs to be slower. I think it's actually both of these need to be slower, so we're gonna set this at 1, we're gonna set this at 1.25. Because this, I think this is the one that fucked up. Give him another quarter of a second, I guess. 5200 to Venus and Mindful Fox. Oof. Oof. Yeah, Ranger the good, man. You could have, you could have, oh, I gotta set another prediction, right? Prediction. Okay, so it's no longer 19 boxes, it is now 16 boxes. Because we did properly release 3 boxes. Oh god, it moved the Pokemon over there. we gotta move that Pokemon back. Alright, start prediction. Yes. Oh, actually, I think we could just quit without saving. So plus, and then S, and then A, then A. So this is why we made that special offset parameter first. This one here. So we're gonna do 19 offset 3. Yeah. So this is the command we're going to run. Venus says ballin'. Now I have to name a variable to Venus in tribute. Why are the Nintendo's menus so stupid? Oh my god, they're like super inconsistent, but also yeah, they're perfect. Yeah, I like Venus. Yeah, the Nintendo menuing is awful. Okay, predictions in. God, I hope it works this time. Nintendo Ooh, Marsha, you're betting no this time. Oh, you're switching it up. Okay, let's do this. Offset 3. Do I have this right? This must be offset 2? I think it's offset 3. I think this is right. Well, we'll see. Should move over to the box. And then it should switch the boxes. Oh god, that's really quick. Oh, still worked out. Man, that's still close. No wonder it missed that one time. Stupid thing. Probably bumped the time on that even more. Okay. Marsha says, I believe in you, Anthbonk. Neither you nor Mindful Fox believed in me on this one. Okay, second box. Come on, Nintendo Switch lag. Yeah. Right? I bet a different amount though. Did you bet 69, Marsha? Is that what you're saying here? Okay, so now it should save. Okay. Okay. Press A and go back to the title. This is the real long sleep I put in, because we were really close on it before. And that time is super variable for some reason. Okay. Alright, so now it should move over 6 and then move over 6 boxes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it should start releasing again. I think it's gonna work, chat. Things are looking pretty good here. We got through a full cycle with it working. If only you programmed it to react to the screen instead of hard coding stuff. Yeah, that's much harder. That's much harder. But I think this is gonna work. Which is pretty hype. Oh god, did you see the lag there? It almost didn't work. It lagged so hard there, what the fuck? Why is it lagging? Oh, I wonder if it's in verbose mode and it's filling up the buffer. I don't know if I turned verbose mode off. Because we've been running this for a while. Weird. Well, it feels like it's getting slower and slower. Larry MC Basketball, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't see any verbosity. Oh, well, I don't either. It's hidden. AI brain lag for a sec, needs to rest? Yeah. Larry McBasketball, my favorite basketballer. Yeah, exactly, right? Wow, I see a lot of 2s in chat. Where's the believers? Where's the people who voted 1? This program needs to breathe, yeah. Hey, Walker codes with the beliefs. Good. It is working so far, though. Marsha says this is literally the one time I voted no. Yeah, this is like what people feel like when they bought GME at like 350, right? You FOMO'd into no, and now you're losing points on it. What box are we on right now? 14? 11? 11. We got a long way to go. We got a long way to go. But, I guess we can put this up on the big screen. No. There we go. See if it does its job properly here. Yeah, Darumaka, that's the one I'm currently trying to get. But it's specifically the Galarian Darumaka. Why do you have so many? I'm breeding them to get shiny Pokemon. I've bred probably close to like 30 or 40,000 eggs at this point on this game. Include my other game, I think I've bred like 300,000 eggs. But yeah, a lot of Pokebonking. Hey, what's up, Roshan the Immortal? Hello, hello, welcome to the stream. We are currently witnessing my code release Pokemon from my Pokemon home game, and you'll notice that I am not pressing any buttons. We are automating it with computer code. And it seems to be working. The termination condition is the one that I'm concerned about. We'll see what happens with that. Ranger the Good, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. For shiny catching? Yeah, this is for I hatched Pokemon. I hatched a bunch of them. And oh, it fucked up. It fucked up, chat. It fucked up. Oh god, no, don't release those. What did it even fuck up though? I missed it. I didn't see what it did. Oh man. What did it even do? Oh wait, you can see it fucked up in the bottom too. A lot of shit went wrong there. Do I have to make the movement even slower? Well, I guess that's a prediction of no. Wow, a lot of people voted yes. Oh, 5 to 1 on no here. Damn. Oh, you clipped it. Okay, cool. What did it do here? Yeah, it ignored one of the right movements. It ate an input. Weird. Very weird. You win 404 babbies. Wait, where are my points? Very weird. That's very strange. Because that's been pretty consistent for a long time. We're gonna do this just in case that has something to do with it. I'll put it back over here. Huh. So. Oh, that's the wrong scene. We want this scene. Huh. So I'm actually going to quit without saving because I didn't see all the stuff that it did, and just to be on the safe side. I do want to see what boxes it started with. I think it started with 12, so offset should be 12 next time. Plus, and then S, and then A, then A. Yeah, so I guess we just have to add a little bit more sleep in the... That sucks. I'll add another 5 milliseconds here. No, 50 milliseconds. Another 50 milliseconds. Seems reasonable. Alright, one more prediction. One more prediction. So I think it should be good now. So in this case, it's going to release 7 boxes. It's 12 through 19 should release 7 boxes. We still don't know if it's going to work at the end, though. But yeah, we'll put that prediction in. And then we do offset 12 this time. Alright, are we gonna win this time? Whose side are you on? The winning side. It's true, it's true. While this prediction runs, I'm gonna fill up my water. I will be right back. I'll let you pick that one. Alrighty, what do we got on our bets this time? Oh, no one's talking in chat. I don't know. Tell me what your bets are, chat. What are your positions? Alright, are we ready to run it? Here we go. Hopefully this works. 10k on yes. Yeah, what is your position? Yeah, what is your preferred position, Marsha? The only reasonable bet is yes. Did everyone bet yes? Oh, that makes me so nervous that it starts on that box instead of the other box. Ten, 11, 12, 13. Okay, should start releasing here. Okay, this seems fine. Though it did glitch out while doing this before, so... Oh, that seemed fine. I feel like we're almost praying to RNGesus here, though. Nature naughty? Yeah, that is one of the natures. Don't fuck me, RNG? Yeah, exactly. Praise RNGesus, right? I mean, this thing is also already working better than I thought it would, so I'm pretty happy with what I have so far. And like, if it's just down to little tweaks here and there, I can live with that. Okay, it's going well. There's a lonely nature in there too, Marsha. And sassy. And timid. 3 Mewtwo's? Those are actually exactly the same Mewtwo, but duped. But also, actually no, those are separate Mewtwo's. But they're from Red and Blue. Transferred up through Bank. So yeah. They're not 100% legitimate. Why does it have a warning? Because it contains moves that don't allow it to be transferred into Sword and Shield. It has moves that just don't exist in Sword and Shield because they Thanos snapped a bunch of Pokemon and Thanos snapped a bunch of moves. They're just like, nope, barrier's not a move anymore. So that Mewtwo has the move barrier. So that's why I can't get transferred. Yeah, it's real dumb. It's real fucking dumb. What the fuck is barrier? It's +2 defense, I think. I think it was like a TM in Gen 1 or something. I don't know. It just contains the moves that it had when I caught it. And they're all at level 100. Because reasons. Because I actually caught them at level 250 or something like that. And then leveled it up once, and 250 reverts to level 100 when you're over level 100. Mewtwo is a waller. Yeah, he's walling out of control. Should do one more box, and then it should save. And then we have the big question. Then we have the big question, which is whether box 19 is going to work correctly. That's the one that I'm concerned. Wise Guy says, haven't played since Gen 1. Can you transfer Gen 1 pokes all the way to the current gen? Kind of. Not from the original Gen 1 games, but there was re-releases of them on the 3DS. And you can transfer from the re-releases. So, yes, there is a way to get from every generation to the latest games. Except for the Pokemon that were Thanos Snap. They can make it into home, but that's it. Can't get farther than that. Okay, so we have one more box that it should hopefully do correctly. This is where, yeah, the sweating starts, Marsha. This is where the sweaty palms is happening. Okay, 3, 4. I can probably make the box movement faster. Although it does lag when there's actual Pokemon in it, so maybe the timing on it is fine. Actually, it really doesn't matter, because this isn't something that I have to interact with. I'm just running it once and letting it finish. Although, the code right now makes me nervous, so I kind of want to watch it run instead of just letting it do its thing, so... Okay. Still not sure what it's going to do for the bottom 2 rows. Like, I think it'll click on them, but I think it's going to do nothing, which should be fine. Okay. Should save and exit. Should go over one box and then save and exit. That's a yes! That's a yes! Nice. 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 I guess we gotta wait for it to exit before I do the prediction. Sick! Sick! Alrighty. That's a prediction. You're not gonna make many points on this one though. 1 to 1.2. There we go. Alright, chat. I didn't really want to stream today, but we did stream anyway. It's gonna be a little bit of a shorter stream. Nice 2-hour stream. I automated another tedious task, which is cool. But yeah, we're gonna wrap up here, do my little spiel, and then find someone to raid. I think Juice is streaming, so we're gonna raid Juice for I think the second time I've ever raided her. So anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can see daily educational videos as well as previous streams. So check that out. Leave a subscribe there. Raid message. Let's just all bonk Juice. AWC bonk. Just spam the bonks as much as you've got. But yeah, I stream on Monday evenings as well as Saturday at noon, and I announce my streams in 2 places for the unscheduled streams. One of those is on Twitter, and the other is on the Discord, so follow me on Twitter, join the Discord, subscribe on my YouTube channel, you know, all the things. Primitive Monkey, thank you for the follow. Yeah, and follow on Twitch as well. And let me just make sure that she is still online. Otherwise, we're just going to raid an empty channel. She is still streaming. Okay, empty pupper cam. But yeah, give Juice your bonks. Raid Juice bonks hero. Oh, you could do Juice and then bonk and then hero. Let's do that. Juice, A2C bonk, hero. And then just spam this over and over. Oops. Get it so you can copy paste it. There you go. Do that. Give us some good Juice bonks heroes here. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and I'll see you around in the future. Have a good one. Bye.